Recording.
Okay. So last night sucked. Should have gone home. But it is what it is. I learned my lesson about riding in Barrington in the wee hours of the night. Um, Other than that, to deal with last night, I have to go pick up some checks because I don't even know if I have any for my bank since they got bought out. I originally had TCF, now I have Huntington, so I'll see about that. Oh, that's slippery. I do not like that at all. uh, yeah, so I'm gonna be doing a little night ride. Or rain ride, not night ride. I don't know if I want to do a night ride again, as fun as it was. I don't know. I hope this stuff takes off so that, I start making money off of this and I can focus more on making the content and all that jazz. I'm just gonna see if I leave a little crack at the bottom to keep the air from building up. Yeah, I hope this shit blows up soon, honestly. Um, I would love to be able to just make content instead of working for a bunch of ass jockeys that don't care about my physical and mental health. But that's besides the point. Right now, I got bigger fish to fry. I gotta pick up that check, get it mailed out. To fucking whatever. I'm just gonna take the hit on my insurance. I'm not too worried about that. Like, whatever. It sucks because like I wasn't even doing anything fucking crazy. I was just cruising in some fucking back roads, and the one time that I'm just flat out cruising, not doing anything stupid, that's when a cop is sitting at the bottom of a hill as I'm coming over it with my high beams on. I was doing roughly, I think, 53 in a 25. So like, homie cut me some slack. He gave me a little bit of a break, knocked it down to 45, and yeah, that's that. Fuck, my seat's all wet. I'm gonna have a wet booty. But yeah, don't tell me I need gas already. I mean, it would make sense. We did a lot of riding yesterday. Turn off that. I'm also playing with the idea of spray painting my helmet. Also, I noticed there was some feedback issues with the camera. So if it's still feedbacking, I gotta try and figure that out. But yeah, so I'm gonna be heading down to my bank, picking up some checks, hopefully. And yeah, that's about it. I'm just gonna enjoy this little ride. Maybe stop somewhere, get some pictures. And because it is wet, I am going to be taking it a bit slower.
Intercom failed. Try again later.
I'm also going to pop my vents because I did layer up. I got my inlay, I got a long sleeve, a thin long sleeve, granted, but still a long sleeve underneath my jacket. And yeah, that's really it. I just still can't believe that that happened to me last night. But like I said, cop was cool, not really an issue. What's nice about these tires, though, they're really good for rain. The front tires got some nice tread pattern to help move the rain out of the way, so that's pretty good. The only thing I gotta really worry about is my rear tire, but I'm not like hugely worried about that. I might actually be going a bit too slow. But, you know, I don't know. It was fun riding with the people that I was riding with, though. That was that kind of threw me through a loop a little bit. I'm also probably gonna grab breakfast while I'm out, since it's 11 o'clock. I woke up a bit late because I was up till 3, 4 in the morning editing and streaming me editing that video and just hating myself for the dumbass that I am. I even was like, yeah, foreshadowing. Everything I said that day was foreshadowing. Fuck. My shoes aren't getting a lot of traction. It's funny, the bike gets more traction than my feet. I don't know if it's because of the type of the boots with the pavement or what, but I've never had that issue before. You so could have gone, motherfucker. You're not paying attention. Yeah, this is nice. I love hearing the patter on my helmet, and I'm not gonna get soaked because, not that my gear's waterproof, but it's fairly good about resisting water. My pants, not so much. But if I need to, I can move stuff around, move stuff into the inlay. I'm not worried about that. I hope that's not the cop from yesterday. I gotta keep in mind, I can ride on the left or right side of the lane just as long as I'm within tire tracks to help increase my traction. So that's something good I gotta pay attention to. God, it smells so fucking good out today. It is a bit nippy. I can feel it through my gloves. Again, I should have grabbed my fucking sadphonk winter gloves or whatever, but, you know, I'm a bit of a dumbass. I wonder what the fuck happened here. Maybe a slide out or something? I can see oil on the ground. Because motherfuckers can't keep their cars serviced enough, so you see that. That's all oil. You didn't need a honk for that. Oh, I think the boo woke up. I gotta break the news to her about the ticket. The fuck are you doing, dumbass? I figure out where I can turn into this place. I don't think there's any way I'm getting up on that median, so I'll probably just have to hang a U-turn. Oh, this is a turn lane for there. Nah. Still, I can pop a Yui. Fucking jag off. I fucking hate Malibus. You belong in Chicago, dickweed. Hang another Yui real quick. As long as I remember the right turn in. Ah, fuck, I made the wrong one. Damn it. Alright, you know what? I'm on a motorcycle, it's fine. There's probably not a lot of good rain cover for my seat. Fuck. You know what? I'm just gonna pop over this real quick, because fuck me, I'm a dumbass. I will have to get gas too. But it's afterwards. I gotta remember. Ooh, fuck. Respond to this text in a second. Hi there. How are you doing today? Yeah, it's one of my favorite things to do, you know? It's one of my favorite things to do. Yeah. I personally love the rain. Definitely, yeah, I've been taking it slow. Yeah. um, I appreciate it, thank you. I was wondering if I might be able to get some checks. Yeah. Sorry? Uh, would temporary work? I did get sending it to the city. Sending it to the city. Yeah. I don't know. This is all new to me. I just got a ticket last night, so um, cashier check. Gotcha. Would I be able to do that today? Yeah, just one. I have a card if that works, or since I'm. Um, yeah, sorry, 324. Oh no, yeah, 224 324. So, oh, gotcha. 164. Okay. Yeah. I'm actually gonna get the thing out. Yeah, I'm so sorry. Yeah, that's what I was gonna pull out because I didn't remember where it said to make it payable to. I appreciate it greatly. There's this one. There we are. Just so I have it for my record there. Okay. I feel so bad for getting water everywhere. um, Today's the 28th. Perfect. Huh? 164. Or when it says written, I have to like word it out, right? Oh. Oh yeah. I'm so sorry. 17000. Oh, there too. Gotcha. I appreciate that. Awesome. Yeah, sure thing. Um, I have both my original license and my temporary license as well, if either of those will work. I just got my license yesterday too, so that's the funny thing. Sorry? No, same address. Yeah, I just got my M class license, so yeah. And then did you need a 224? Three. Thank you. For the bike. I was um I was out at a group ride or a group meet and oh no. Yeah, sorry. Um uh over in Arlington Heights and I ended up riding back with a couple guys and then they all went home. So then I was like, you know what? I got some extra time. I'll just go cruise around in the back roads. Um just just kind of like lost myself and I was just having fun going around and then came up over. Oh no. I think I just made a friend last night with one of those guys though. Yeah. Yeah, that's yeah, it is. Sorry? Yeah. It makes 100% sense. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Jesus. Yeah. Right. Yeah. That's that. Yeah, that's the very shocking thing about the bike is like I was expecting like adrenaline rushes and stuff. Instead, it's just like calmed me out and when I get home after a ride, I actually take a nap. Like it's never happened where I get out of a vehicle or off of a vehicle and then I fall asleep, but like the way the bike vibrates and everything, it's just very soothing, which is part of the reason why I kind of lost track of. Oh yeah, the wind. Yeah.
I was like, and it was a big back in front of me, so I wasn't like.
Oh boy.
Oh my God, no.
It is a
Fun
lot.
is over.
Sorry?
I say fun is over with the kids.
Yeah.
It was nice. It was nice. Some payable to.
Oh, so payable, I underlined it in that section 5 there. It says like county clerk or something like that. Um, on the other side.
Oh, clear up the secret.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. There it is. My bad. I appreciate it greatly.
Hmm?
When I got it last night, I was editing the video because I recorded it, and
You record the video?
I recorded the whole day.
How?
Uh,
See?
got this little thing right here. Yeah.
Nice. What
Um,
is this one? The Pro?
Sena 10C Evo. It's not a GoPro or anything. It's
Expensive than that? How much?
for what it is. It's cheaper than buying one of these and then the actual GoPro. So like,
Didn't fall because. Can I see how you attach it?
oh yeah, it's got a bracket.
Nice.
Yeah,
Oh,
it is.
how you keep it the memory?
There's an SD card slot right under the side here. I'm trying to find where it is. Ooh,
It's only for helmet, so you can put it into something. Because
for
I like recorded things, and when I go to.
if you see back here, I got a bunch of cables running from it, so it runs inside the helmet and it's all hooked up there. So like, there's not really a way to mount this to anything else.
What is it? Camera?
Yeah, I could tell you. If you're wanting something wearable, I mean a GoPro with like a shoulder strap or like chest strap would work.
Because I have my GoPro, and I don't know. I don't know if I don't know how to handle it,
Hmm.
but I never use it. Like maybe 2 or 3 times, and it was super expensive for nothing. I hate the GoPro, and I was GoPro. Stupid GoPro. Do something.
Yeah.
And doesn't work.
So I'm gonna put another one here that I've seen a lot of people use. It's got like a stick that I'm assuming you could like attach to like a jacket or something. 360 camera.
I want to use it in the rides when I go to Six Flags or things like that with my kids. Or when I go to.
Yeah, I'd say for the
I told you I do the skydiving, so I'm gonna planning to do it soon too.
right or shoulder for GoPro. Yeah, because I looked at the GoPros and I'm like, you know what, that's really expensive, especially if I'm gonna be buying another unit to do communication.
Yeah. It was expensive, and I was not happy.
Yeah.
It didn't work like I wanted.
I
And
bought.
in the videos, looks like it's nice, but doesn't work like that. And you have to talk to in order to.
Yeah, it's kind of insane.
Oh, you have to talk.
Y- Well, I mean, like I just have to press the button up here to get it to record, and then I got my mic right on the inside there. She used to.
I used to. I tell him that I used to. No, but as soon as you have kids parties, over, no more. Yeah. And I was telling a story that I fall asleep when we went to Chicago. I the whole way, the whole night from Chicago to the 53, so that's my exit. He said we got home, and I was what? The whole way without helmet and anything.
Me and two guys, we went up to Wisconsin the other day. We actually ran into a Grom, and he was throwing down. He was popping wheelies as much as he could. Those things don't have a lot of power, but he was able to do it.
That's just the check.
Oh, okay,
Yeah, the other one is the pro.
definitely. If you want to see my bike, I got it right out front. Fuck yeah. It's a 689cc. It's a The 22 Yamaha MT-07.
This is the okay.
Yeah, mounts for either the chest or the shoulder. I'm not sure which one. I haven't really looked into those.
One is center.
This one's the Senna, yeah. So like if you have something that you might be able to clip to your or like hold on like maybe like a 3/4 helmet or something when you go skydiving, you can just clip it up by a bracket, or they also come with an adhesive pad that you could put on. So you could easily stick that right up here. What I did to cancel out wind noise is I put a little piece of tape right over the mic right there. So that helps a lot because otherwise I was inaudible every time I tried to record anything.
That's nice.
It is.
Be safe now, okay?
Definitely, I appreciate it. Sorry?
Hey, tickets.
Yeah, yeah. If I was telling myself in my head, and then well, I was up in those back roads up north a little bit. And the one time where I'm just cruising, I'm not doing anything too crazy, there happens to be a cop at the bottom of the hill. So I went up doing about 53, came down, seen him, turned off my high beams, and then slowed down. And he's like, it was too late, I already caught you. I'm like, shit. But he did mark it down for me, down to a 45, so. Yeah, he was really cool. He was happy that I was being safe about everything. We got full gear, so yeah. But I appreciate it greatly. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you. So the ride went great up until everyone went home, and I decided, you know what, I'm gonna ride for a little bit more. I appreciate it. Thank you. Yeah, I mean, I personally love the rain, so it works out. Definitely all of it, yeah. Which was a fucking mistake. Cop caught me coming over a hill doing 53 and a 25, but he knocked it down to a 45 for me because I was being so nice and everything. Just picked up the check for the ticket. Turns out the clerk also rode motorcycles. So I explained the situation. LMFAO. I posted the video so you can see it whenever you get a chance to watch it. It's at the very end of my part 2 for my bike meet to late night ride fiasco. Yes. After I watch and respond to your reels, I'm gonna go grab breakfast myself.
Recording. Intercom failed. Try again later.
Okay, I got the check for the ticket. I just gotta figure out how the fuck I'm gonna get out of here without falling because of all these fucking. There's a lot of fucking dirt here for some fucking reason. Bunch of fucking mud. I think I'm gonna go to a Dunkin' Donuts. God. I need to get that fucking windscreen max or wax or wind visor. But I just gotta find out where I'm gonna go for some Dunkin'. Or I could go to Starbucks. Depends. I could feel my fucking shoes not getting traction here. It's like all slick. Which, again, I've never had this problem with any other fucking shoe I've worn. But fuck me, right? I'm really fucking nervous now. Now I'm overthinking it, and my co-star told me not to overthink, which I'm doing exactly that. I'm not going fast enough for this rain to fucking move off my helmet. At the very least, this should work. As long as fucking tire's not gonna splash back at me. This is nice though. The pitter patter. I'm getting mildly wet, but not like, I'm not physically getting wet. It's just my coat, my bag.
Intercom failed. Try again later.
I love how you fuckers overnight decide to fucking close up 2 lanes. I thought construction doesn't happen while it's raining out. Yeah, my pants are getting a little soaked now. Yeah, I'm getting fucking drenched. As much as I like rain riding, I think I'm gonna save it for Arizona. It's really fucking nice though. Really fucking pretty. Minus the fact that I'm getting like rain blocking my vision. It's not like bad. I don't personally mind this, but I know other people might have an issue with it. Like here, I got better traction than that fucking parking lot. I don't understand it. My pocket's getting soaked. I need to get like waterproof gear, like actual like waterproof pants. My jacket I'm fine with, but like everything else. Why are you braking? Ah. Ah. I will never get tired of that. Good thing I didn't pop it into neutral yet. And I'm giving my bike a little wash at the same time. I'm saving money. These tires are really fucking good. Let me just pop it neutral real quick. All right.
Recording.
Okay. Got the Starbies. Fucking filled me up nice and good. Starbucks guy was cool. I got him to take my Instagram down. So, broski, I hope you enjoy the dumb shit that I get up to, and I appreciate those sandwiches. They were fucking bomb, bro. But yeah, I'm just going back home now. I'm kind of soaked, and I'll probably ride a bit more later. Just to make sure I get all this fucking water off my fucking seat. Damn it. Yeah. This bike's done so much for me. I'm so fucking happy with it. And honestly, the rain did die down a little bit, but not a lot. Damn, you take forever to fucking reverse. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just heading home to talk to my girl. I guess I could post this little rain ride and then make another video for when I go out later. Hopefully I don't get another ticket. At that point, I don't think I'd be getting a ticket. I'd be getting arrested or something. I don't know. I don't want to jinx it though. God, this fucking bike sounds beautiful. I fucking love how unique this bike sounds compared to like a fucking crotch rocket, cause like, oh, I fucking love this thing. I don't know. I'm torn between riding some more or actually like streaming, playing some fucking games. I don't know. It's been a minute since I like sat down and like properly enjoyed a fucking few rounds of Battlefield and some Helldivers and whatnot. For democracy, brother. But Yeah, I'm not really too stressed about that ticket, surprisingly. Like, yeah, it's $164 out of my fucking thing, and I'm probably gonna get a little hit of it on my insurance. Then again, I am platinum with Progressive, so maybe they'll cut me some slack since it's my first like speeding ticket on registered on them, and my record's fairly clean as well. That was fucking early of a fucking turn signal, Mark. God, this thing's so fucking nice. This sucks we have speed limits. I had a link up with Kevin again, too. That was a lot of fun. Riding with him in that fucking Mustang. These tires are so fucking good, too. These tires handle the rain real fucking nice. God, it sounds so fucking good. I'll never be able to get over how fucking good this bike sounds. I'm even braking kind of hard, and it's not even slipping on me. So that goes to show Michelin tires. They're fucking bomb. They're fucking great. I love them. They handle the rain real fucking well. I don't even know what 30 miles an hour. Maybe a quarter lean. I don't know. I'm not sure how to gauge that shit, but you know, it is what it is. It's just, but yeah. So I'll be streaming, I guess, for the time being while I talk to my girl and all that. And yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this video, honestly, but we'll see. I'm just gonna get this bitch up. Oh yeah. I don't want to turn it off. Funny thing, that guy Kevin that I met, he's been riding for 3 years. He pulled the fucking same stupid mistake that I've always been pulling, fucking putting the kicks down in first gear. Never again, never fucking again. I'm a fucking twat. And I am really glad that my lever bent this way after it snapped. Or, well, it snapped after it bent, but it, like, really worked out well. Because I got my fucking finger catch right there, so my finger can't slip off. And if I do have my hand down here for whatever fucking reason, easy enough. So, worked out in the end. I'm not mad about it. Ah. It's the first time I like properly stalled it, and I don't even know how long. I don't remember when the last time I stalled it was. Well, let's get some of this this audio from the stock exhaust. Fuck. God, that sounds fucking nice. Alright, that's enough of my dumb shit. I don't know, like, sub, fucking share, follow the IG, the TikTok, yeah, whatever. I'm just a little idiot.
Recording.
Okay, I just figured I'd show off the kitty cat. Come here. Aww. Hi there. Hi there, kitty. Hi there. Good girl. You're such a sweet little thing, aren't you? Aren't you, kitty? Hi there. Hi there, kitty. Hi. Hi there.
You want cuddles? Oh, I'm sure you do, kitty. Oh, oh, kitty. Hi, hi, kitty. Your fur's so soft. Oh, sweet little thing, you. Oh, good girl. You're purring. I don't know if it comes up that well over the fucking mic audio, but she is purring more than my bike. You're such a sweet kitty. Oh, I can't even fuck with you. You're too sweet. All right, now that's enough.